Hey, it's Sabri, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use your Shark HydroVac, a 3-in-1 multi-surface cleaning system. This product vacuums, mops, and cleans itself at the same time. Its revolutionary design combines a powerful suction with hydro mopping for a deeper and more complete clean in less time. It deep cleans your hard floors and also removes surface dirt and instantly eliminates odors from your area rugs. The Shark HydroVac comes with a self-cleaning antimicrobial brush roll to help prevent odors and bacterial growth on the brush roll. A cleaning concentrate with odor neutralizer technology instantly eliminates odors and prevents it from reforming on the floors and area rugs. And a 2-tank system that keeps clean and dirty water separate, so you're always cleaning with fresh solution. To get started cleaning, fill the clean solution tank with water and the Shark HydroVac concentrate. This concentrate is formulated for use on all sealed hard floors and area rugs. First, press a button on the top of the main body to release the clean solution tank. Next, you will remove the tank cap and fill the water to the first indicator line. Then, you're going to add the Shark HydroVac concentrate until it reaches the second indicator line. If you see blue water droplets flashing on the screen, it indicates an emptied clean solution tank which needs to be refilled. Now let's start cleaning. First, press the on and off button on the handle to turn the unit on. Then just step on the nozzle and tilt the handle back to start cleaning. To seamlessly switch between hard floor mode and area rug mode, press the area mode button on the handle. The Shark HydroVac is engineered to deep clean all sealed hard floors such as hardwood, stone, tile, and laminate. It is also great for picking up surface debris and eliminating odors on your area rugs. With its lightweight profile, I can easily maneuver between surface to surface and switch modes with the press of just one button. After cleaning, you will notice red water droplets flashing, which indicates the dirty water tank is full and needs to be emptied. To remove the dirty water tank, pinch and release the button and pull out. Dispose of the liquid waste by pouring from the spout at the back of the dirty water tank. Remove the filter by grasping the center of the filter housing, which is orange, and pulling upward. To dispose solid debris, lift out the solid separator by grasping the recessed areas on the sides and lifting. Conveniently dispose solid waste in the trash and liquid waste in the trash or toilet. You can rinse the solid separator in the dirty water tank so it's ready for your next use. It's also important to keep your filters clean by washing them monthly with warm water and dish soap and air drying before reinstalling. If you're looking for more information on the Shark HydroVac, make sure you visit us at sharkclean.com.
C'è la luna, mezza mare, mamma mia, mi maradare. Figli a cutterare, mamma mia, pensaccia tu.
One of my favorite things about the Shark HydroVac is the self-cleaning cycle. My least favorite part about having to clean is having to clean my cleaning tools. I never get around to it, and it's always the last thing on my checklist. So what's great about the Shark HydroVac is that I simply turn it on to the self-clean cycle, and it saves me so much time and so much effort. To start the cleaning cycle, empty the dirty water tank and refill the clean solution tank with clean water and a HydroVac concentrate. For the corded unit, ensure that the unit is plugged in, place it on the storage tray. And if you have a cordless unit, place the unit on the charging dock. Then you're going to press the power button to start the self-clean cycle. The self-clean icon on the user interface will pulse for the 2-minute cycle as it washes and spins the brush roll. The self-cleaning cycle will turn off once completed. Do not remove the unit until the cycle is done. Once the unit is complete, empty the dirty water tank, rinse and let it dry. Then place it back into the unit so it is ready for your next time you need to grab it. Remove the nozzle cover and brush roll to let it dry. Yep, it's that quick. For best results, run a HydroVac self-clean cycle after every use. And replace your brush roll every 6 months. Now let's talk cleaning tips. Common concern with wet-dry vacuums is streak marks on the floor. With the Shark HydroVac multi-surface cleaner, you don't have to worry about streaking again. This 3-in-1 vacuum, mop, and self-cleaning system makes it so convenient to avoid streaking. First, you're going to press a button on the top of the main body to release the clean solution tank. Remove the tank cap and fill the water slowly up to hit the first indicator. Water line perfectly. Add the HydroVac multi-surface concentrate, filling to the second indicator line, the HydroVac concentrate line. Now make sure you don't overfill the concentrate, as this may lead to the streaking. Replace the tank cap and reinsert it into the unit. Press until it clicks into place and you're all set to clean your surface. Do not use other chemicals, soaps, or solutions, as you will experience streaking, foaming, or causing damage to your unit. Make sure you are running a self-clean cycle after every use. If you still experience streaking, it could be because of the buildup of soap or grease on the floor. You can avoid this by running a few more passes with the HydroVac. Thanks to the Shark HydroVac, I can easily tackle everyday messes on different surfaces with the confidence it will be clean and streak-free. If you're looking for more information on the Shark HydroVac, make sure you visit us at sharkclean.com.